This is the Sensational Butta Unit 8 wig. And it's like, it's a lace part. It doesn't have any more parting space. You could do a flip over with it. And like pull it up, I guess. But it's really meant to be a middle part. It came pre-plucked, but I plucked it some more. But it was kind of difficult to pluck the lace hairs out of it. I was scared I was gonna rip the lace. My install is glueless because I used glue a couple of times, but I'm scared of glue. So I went back to my wig grip and I used my wig grip and I did my edges with some Eco Styler.
This is going after all the shorties around the world.
The curl still looking good. The luster is much better. I believe it was like kind of shiny when I first put it on, but it looks good. It's the perfect everyday wig. It's a really good work wig. This is the length that I like a good 12-14 inch, real cute. Yeah, and it's bob season anyway, so this is my type of feel. I'm very happy with this wig. I didn't even do a like whole unboxing. I used a lot of TikTok tips to install it, and I'm very happy.